Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So yesterday on the community tab, I put out a little poll saying, hey, do you guys still want like a $10 deal video doing curbside deals, 10 bucks or less? And like more than 400 of you said yes. So I thank everybody who took the time to vote. It really helps me out when you give me a bit of advice. And I think maybe these polls are just the way to go in the future for videos. So we are going to be diving right into $10 or less curbside using the code TAKE25 for extra savings. So this is going to be a really great video. For the purpose of this video, we're doing these deals curbside where you order it through your cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet, drive to the store and pick it up. Some of these deals you can do in store, it makes no difference, but some of them, curbside is the way to go. Now, in case you missed it, yesterday I made a video where I was using the 10 back when you spend 40, that booster with various deals over at Walgreens curbside. So if you want to watch that video, it'll be linked this one right here at the very end. Now, alternatively, if you're a shopper that likes to shop in store and you're just like, I'm not about curbside, I went into in store on Sunday, did a couple quick deals. So I will also link this video if that is more your style. In store, you can get those register rewards and roll them and all that stuff. You unfortunately can't do that with curbside. So if this is more your speed, video linked at the very end. So let's hop right into these deals, $10 or less. The first is to put 5 of these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners that are $3.99. I think in some markets they're like $4.19. So 5 of them is $11.45. This is one item lately we never get deals on. So you know what I personally would do? I would throw in 10 bucks in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $2.14. Unfortunately, the TAKE25 code will not apply to this because this is a sales item and it's not going to apply with sales items. Deal number 2. Okay, so we're going to throw 4 of the Grinch Kisses or whichever Hershey's, or if you want to get the little Reese's miniatures, you can do that as well, because something popped up yesterday that was really interesting. We got another 2 off of 2 coupon off of the Hershey's holiday bagged chocolates. So that's amazing. Plus we have another IVC. Load these coupons either way because these will totally be worth it. Like this is a really great coupon. Because if you look at the math, 4 of those is $15.97. IVC coming off, curbside pickup is free, or manufacturers coming off for $11.97. Use 10 bucks in Walgreens cash and pay $1.97. And for some of you that need these for baking, entertaining, or little gifts, I mean, you can't do it with one bag of Hershey's Kisses to make this gorgeous wreath. I mean, I think that's just really genius. I would love to get one of those just to hang on the door, or these delicious cookies. I remember the first time at an office party, somebody brought these. I must have eaten like 5 within the first hour. I thought they were so delicious. But if you're in dire need for those kisses or the little peanut butter cups, a deal for you. Okay, so deal number 3, we are going to be grabbing one of these holiday Garnier. It's like a triple pack of the micellar waters. They are a little bit smaller, just to let you know that, but $11.99. Now, this is where it gets interesting. We also got this $4 digital for one of those holiday packs. Make sure you have it loaded. But like, how nice is that? Who wouldn't love to get that in their stocking? We're going to put 2 of these Pepperidge Farms cookies. They are 2 for $7. I'm going to get some of those this week. And we have this digital coupon that is expiring pretty quick. So you're going to have to do it earlier in the week. But load that. So looking at this, TAKE25 is taking $2 off. $1 off the Pepperidge Farm and $4 off the Garnier Skin Active. That's called Not Too Shabby. The overall basket is $18.99. Free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $5 in digitals coming off for $12.59. I personally would use 10 bucks in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $2.59 and call this a super deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 4. For this one, we are going to be getting one of these fancy dancy Downy Rinse and Refresh. Unfortunately, the IBOTTA rebate for this guy is at Walmart only. And we have a $3.50 off digital coupon. So they like Merry Christmas. And this is really nice for towels and stuff. I've used this product before. And we're also going to grab one of these Air Effect kits for $12.49 and original price $18.99. Wow. We have this generous $6 coupon that popped up. So make sure you have it loaded as well, guys. Now we're a little bit short from getting to our magical $10. So we're going to just throw in one of these toilet papers. If you want to grab some Christmas candy or something cheap like that, like a little candy bar, go for it. But I'm going with toilet paper. Take 25 is subtracting $1.20. Downy coupon, Airwick coupon. So that's a little bit of coupons melting off right there. The overall total was $20.77, $9.50 melting off for us for a total of $11.24. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $1.24 and call this a good deal. Deal number 5. Okay, so for this one, we're going to grab one of these clear blue menopause stage indicators for $29.99. This is a newer product as well. So if you need to get this, if you're, you might need it for somebody or yourself, I definitely would love to have one of these in my stockpile. So we're going to load this. It's unfortunately an only for you. So hopefully all of you have the same coupons as I, but it's a $10 off the manufacturer. And there's also an IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon, an extra $3 off. So just to show you, Take 25 is in fact attaching to this guy because this is a non-sales item. So $4.25 melting off, $10 manufacturer, and another $3. So $29.99, $7.25 from IVCs and promotions, free curbside pickup, tax, and $10. So $14.10. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $4.10, and it's just something fabulous to have in your stockpile. I think it's a great little item for that, like $4. Yes. Okay, so the next deal that we have is deal number 6. If you head over to your IBOTTA account, I have this rebate for these Tate's Bake Shop cookies. So it is $1 back per bag with IBOTTA. Wow, that's very generous. Now, the Tate's cookies are 2 for $11. So for 3 of them, it's $16.50. Those have really jumped in price, but if you're trying to make a really nice Christmas basket and you're not into baking stuff, this is just the fastest way to do it. I'm that person. So $16.50, Take 25 is shaving off $4.14. Free curbside pickup. This is considered food here. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.36. Make sure you get a receipt at checkout. Ask the cashier to ring it up for a regular cash register, not through the Zebra, so you can get a receipt. Submit it to IBOTTA for $1 back for each bag, and it's like $9.36 for the 3, a very good price point. So like $3 and some change per bag. Do love. Now this last deal might be a little bit of Merry Christmas to you. It is to grab one of these Yankee Candle holiday gift sets for $12.49. 50% off. Unfortunately, Take 5 will not apply to that because, the candles are half off. But just throwing it into a basket, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.24. And I think anyone receiving this would be so happy. I certainly would love to get one of these for Christmas. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.